I'm Bombatone's wifey, and today I'm going to show you how we prepare our favorite burger and gravy. Hubby cooked a whole box of burgers on the stove top. Thanks, hubby! I have the burger that was cooked and stored in the fridge. And I'm going to add some rice. This rice was also cooked and stored in the fridge. I'm going to break up the clump so that it heats better in the microwave. If I didn't break it up, it would take a lot longer and not heat evenly. Now I'm going to make some room for our favorite frozen vegetable. It's the petit pois, the small sweet peas from PC brand. Some for me and some for hubby. This meal wouldn't be complete without our favorite gravy. It's the Franco-American mushroom gravy, and it's great because you don't have to add any water. Just heat it for 2.5 minutes. I'm using a plastic wrap alternative. It's made of silicone to cover it while heating, and then I'm going to use the same silicone wrap to store the leftovers in the fridge. So, oh, that's hot. I'm gonna stir it up and put it on top of the burger, just like that. And also some on the peas. So the reason why I'm putting some gravy on the peas is because this dish reheats in different times and the peas will take the longest. That's why I'm putting some hot gravy on the peas to help it finish reheating. I'd rather not have dried rice. That's why I don't heat it for as long as the peas need. And this is an easy way to make sure that the peas are heated thoroughly. Hope you enjoyed this video and try our favorite burgers as an easy weeknight dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye.